So welcome to day one of the 4-day Jet Set internet series. In this series, we're going to be going over 4 different things. Now, today, I'm going to give you an overview of how to create your online business. Tomorrow, we're going to go over people. How do you get people? The center point of any business is getting people into your business, customers. Where do you find those people? Where do you get your traffic from? In video 3, I'm going to go over products. How do you find the products to sell? What products do you sell? What products do you recommend to people to buy? And in day 4, you're not going to want to miss day 4, I'm going to go over profit automation. How to automate your business so you can basically live your lifestyle the way you want to. You can have your business support your lifestyle. So in this 4-part video series, I'm going to go over a few things. Now today, just in a second here, I'm going to go over an introduction to the business model of how to create your online business in the same way that Uber, Expedia.com, Hotels.com, Cars.com, and Airbnb have created their business, having no inventory and simply connecting people with products online and making massive amounts of money, and how you can too. In video number 2, we're going to go over people. How do you get people to see your links? How do you get people to view your online material and engage with your content? And in video number 3, I'm going to go over products. How do you decide what products to sell? What products, how do you get paid? Where is the money coming from? Once you've got people, what do you sell them? In video number 4, I'm going to go over profit automation. So how do you systemize and how do you automate your business to get it to the point where no matter what, whether you wake up at noon or whether you're on a beach in Thailand, how do you get your business to make you money while you sleep? And how do you keep that coming in every single day like I have and many of my students have? So the biggest companies in the world right now don't own any inventory. They don't stock any products. They simply connect people with products. Now let me give you an example. Hotels.com. Hotels.com is the largest hotel company in the world right now, and it's the biggest hotel company, and it doesn't own any hotels. It doesn't have any property. It simply just connects people with hotels. It just recommends people to hotels. People go on Hotels.com and they book a hotel. Hotels.com is an affiliate. They're a very large affiliate, but they just are a connection point. And that's the most scalable sort of business. Airbnb. Airbnb is actually an affiliate company. They are one of the biggest companies in the world, yet they don't own any of their own locations. They don't have their own, they don't own any locations, and they're just simply connecting people who have places that they're willing to rent out with people that are interested in renting out a location. And they make a cut for referring both parties together. Now, it's a beautiful business because it scales at will and it runs without stopping because it's all based on the internet. But Airbnb is an example of an affiliate company that has grown insanely large. Again, the opportunity is not in creating your own products. The opportunity is not in managing support. The opportunity is not in managing all these different layers of business that will suck your time and your energy and your money. The opportunity is all in connecting the world and providing either better usability or more information to help consumers make decisions and purchase products online. All of the companies you book flights through, most of the major ones like Expedia.com, Expedia.com does not own any airlines. They don't own any planes. They don't have any locations. They don't have any facilities. Yet Expedia.com is the largest airline company in the world right now. And they don't own any airplanes. And it's completely digital. Expedia.com is an example of an affiliate marketing company. They connect people with flights, and they make a cut of the transaction for bringing the two parties together. Let's go over another example. If I haven't convinced you yet that affiliate marketing is the #1 way to make money in today's economy, I'm doing a horrible job. Another example, I mean, there are tons of them. Basically, every major business out right now is an affiliate marketing company. It owns no inventory, and it just connects people with a service. Here's a great example of an affiliate marketing company. Uber is actually an affiliate marketing company. Now, Uber doesn't own any cars. Think about this for a second. The biggest taxi company in the world, the biggest transportation company in the entire world, does not own any cars. The biggest transportation company in the entire world has no locations where people can get cars. Uber is an affiliate marketing company because they own no inventory, and they simply connect people who want rides in a taxi or who want to go somewhere with drivers who are willing to take them there. And they take a cut of the transaction for referring the two parties together. Now, I've shown you some very big examples of affiliate marketing in today's world. But there are actually millions of examples of people making money as affiliates in very small niches, which is something I'm going to talk about later on. Anything that's bought and sold online, people can be affiliates for. Anything that is bought and sold online, there are affiliates making a cut of the money, and their business runs completely independent of their time and effort. All you need to do is get your little websites running or get your system set up, and you're continually making money. So, sorry about the horrible handwriting, but basically people plus products equals profits. So whenever you connect people with products, you can make money. And the easiest way to connect people with products is using the internet, is using links, or it's using Google or Facebook or YouTube or other social media that people use every single day. Now, I've shown you some examples of very large companies such as Hotels.com, Airbnb, Uber, that are connecting people with products and making billions of dollars. But let me show you some examples of some students of mine that are doing this in small niches, making hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars per year.
I was just really grateful to found John's course. It was exactly what I needed, honestly. I was sold before I even, before it was even for sale. I was already, whatever it costs, I'll get it.
After 25 years as a curriculum developer and instructor in a large computer company, I think you guys are doing a great job. I commend you for it.
I think it's the best decision that I've made, man. I think ever since I jumped, I think I think my life personally changed when I decided to jump under you as a student.
First commission done, I would like to thank actually John Cristani and the Jet Set program for the call they made.
So did you learn anything?